Welcome back to the vlog, guys. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing today on the car, but we're still gonna work on it. Yesterday and the day before, we had negative 50 degrees and lower wind chill. I haven't been able to get out here because the heater in the shop just won't keep up. I don't know why I live here, but I do. Right now it is at 14 degrees, which should be enough for the garage to heat up. Travis is going to be out here to help me a bit today. Like I said, I'm really not sure what we're going to do, but stay tuned anyways, because it's obviously going to be something. But before we get started on the car, I believe we are out of propane for the heaters. So I'm probably going to have to grab some propane from, I don't know, Menards or something. We'll swap out these two tanks because being warm is the really important part here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm thinking so. Yep, that'll be our first project here. Okay. Those are all loaded up in the ever so faithful Kia. Let's go get some propane.
2 hours later.
Propane is all hooked up. We have the motor out. We just finished up on the transmission. You guys saw that in the last video. What we are planning to do tonight is remove the power steering and AC over here, and we'll do the drift motion delete kit. So that'll just run it on these 4 belts here. It'll be a new belt. And we may get over to the motor mounts, but we will see, obviously, as time allows. Hopefully we don't run into any issues, but those are the excessive engineering motor mounts that'll go onto the motor. So drift motion does give you the new wheel for the tensioner, so it's going to run on the inside of that now, or outside of that now. So what has to be done on this tensioner arm, you have to shave down in the back there because it does touch with this new wheel. Not a huge deal, just take a grinder to it and give it some clearance. Oh yeah, that clears it all day long. Alright, so that's what needed to be done. You have these 3 parts. These just be shaved down with a grinder. Not too hard, but you just need this inside of the wheel to clear those, since it was much wider before. But once they're good, they're good. There. All right. Beautiful. So now we just delete these 2, and we have these 4 left over. Less weight, more cool. The power steering and the AC are off of the motor, and it clears up a hell of a lot of space over on this side. And like I said, we did the drift motion kit. Makes it look real nice and tidy. A little bit cleaner of an engine bay. Obviously we still have a lot to clean up later on, but I'll give you an idea there. Now we are on to the motor mounts. So what we had to do on this side, which is the intake side, you had to take off right where the oil filter connects. So this would have been right up here, and that'll allow you to get to the bolt that's hidden behind it for the stock motor mount, at least on a JZX 110, which this motor is from. And then that'll allow you to put in the new mount after you take off the the old fuel pressure regulator that was attached to these two bolts, so it will sit one set back. And then on this other side, it's going to use the bolt holes that weren't used before. These four were for the stock mounts, so they're going to move forward. We're just tapping it out just to clear it out. It was a little bit rusty on that side, but should meet up just fine. So that's going to wrap it up on the motor for tonight. We're getting started on clearing out the tunnel of the car so we can fit that big ass transmission into the tunnel. But that'll be for the next video. We're going to close it out. Thank you guys very much for watching all the videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.